Hello everyone, we are back again with a very interesting product, and that is DIY wall sticker clock. You can use this clock in your living room, in your bedroom, or wherever you might. Okay, this is absolutely a very stunning and a very good clock, and you can use anywhere. So let's see what are the key features of this clock. It's durable, it's attractive, it is fashionable. You can gift or it can be used for your home decoration, for modular home. It is non-toxic and easy to install. It is portable as well. But once you stick it, you can't take it back, or it will take a lot of time. So in Amazon it cost around $7. In eBay it cost around $7. In Amazon it cost 1600 Indian rupees, and in Daraz it cost 1200 Nepalese rupees. So all in all, this is a cheap one, economical one, but a very good one. So this is a clock that I bought around 5 years back. It is absolutely working fine. It is very good in structure. You can see I have encompassed these things in my bedroom, in my living room, and you can see this is portable one. You need to put on the batteries, and the batteries will take time. You can function from here as well. You can take it out, you can unplug and plug your uh, batteries. So it is a very elegant one. You can see the red second that is going on and on. The bothering thing is it gives some kind of sound, tick 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 sound. So that might be a bothering thing for you also. And in EB also they have more than 95% review it. So please do like, share and subscribe.